Hi, everyone. I'm going to show you how easy it is to share, to actually place an order. So let me share my screen. There we go. All right. So let me move this down to the bottom. Okay. So first you're going to log into signaturehomestyles.com. And then you're going to click on Shop with a Consultant. And then you will enter my name. You can see it populates up there so fast before I even finish typing. All right. Then what you want to do is you can either go to all the product categories, which you can see here. You can look at some sale items if you would like. We've actually pulled the coffee items here and the fall holiday items here. So let's say I want to shop in fall holiday. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that down. If I want to find a print, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on prints. And maybe I want to get this, this fall print from last night. If I want to see the information, I can just click on it. And it will show me all the information here. And we can add that to the cart. Okay. And then maybe I want to go back to here and I want to find a table runner to go with that. So there's all my table runner options. I think maybe I might like this one. So I'm going to add that one to my cart. Okay, so now I have 2 items in my cart. I'm at $75. I think I want to stop there. And I will hit View Cart. And my cart, you can see, comes up here. And then I can check out. But down here at the bottom, I want to select the party that I'm shopping with. So you will go ahead and do that. And then scroll to the person's name who is your host. I'm just going to choose the party I have going on here. And then up here you will see you're shopping with me as a consultant and the party is hosted by, and your host name should be right here. All right, so then you can click checkout. It will take you to the checkout screen. There we go. All right. I'm going to highly suggest that you, if you don't have an account already, that you log in here to create an account because it will get you some great offers sent to you throughout the year that's going to save you some money. You don't have to do that, but I would suggest that you do. If you have an account at this point, you would actually go ahead and click login. And I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. And I am not a robot. And so now all of my information has populated here and I do not have to go through filling that out. So now I'm going to click on continue to shipping. So it will populate my shipping information. This is also the part where if you have a coupon code or a discount code, you can put that in there and apply it. Okay. And then you would continue to payment. It is calculating tax. And now this is just all your payment options. So whatever you want to pay with, if you're using any type of a card that goes there, you can pay by PayPal if you would like. Klarna, this is the one that you would click on if you want to do the 4 flexible payments spread out over time. All right, so that's about as far as I can take you. But as soon as you have all this information in here, you would click the Pay Now, and that would submit your order. So you can see it is a very simple process for you to do. if you have any questions, you can always contact me.